You may think you've seen this demo before. The chicken egg doesn't fit through the opening. Heating the air inside lowers the pressure. The egg does a little dance as that hot air rushes out, and it gets pushed into the bottle. When nature finds a low pressure, it tries to fill in that space. It's just like on a weather map. The winds blow from high pressure to low pressure. Except this time, there's an egg in the way. To get the egg out, I do the same thing in reverse. I have to push more air in the bottle than would normally be there. The egg gets pushed out. A student of mine once said, "That's cool and all, but would it work with an ostrich egg?" I mean, it should. It's the same principle on an egg 24 times in size. While we waited for the big one to show up, a local restaurant gave us an order of quail eggs to play with. These little guys are about 1/4 the size of our normal chicken egg, and they came to us already boiled, so in they went. So cute. Mail call! Fresh ostrich egg in the house. It took us over 2 hours to hard boil the egg and almost a good half hour to carefully remove the thick shell without damaging the egg inside. With only one shot at this, I set up before school so all of my hours could see it at the same time. Here goes nothing. And from the crowd, somebody asked, "Well, how do you get it out of there?" With a knife and a fork.